Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let us see the demo for Beyond Text QA Multimedia Answer Generation by Harvesting Web Information. In abstract, community question answering service have denied popularity over the past years. It not only allows community members to post and answer questions but also enables general user to sync information from a comprehensive set of well-answered questions. However, existing community question answering forms usually provide only textual answers which are not informative enough for many questions. In this paper, we propose a scheme that is able to enrich textual answers in community question answer with appropriate media data. The research in this area started from the early by addressing the general problem of finding images from a fixed database. With the rapid development of content analysis technology, in this effort quickly expanded to tackle the video and audio retrieval problem. Generally, multimedia search effect can be categorized into two categories: text-based research and content-based research. The text-based research approaches use textual queries, a term-based classification of the desired media entities to search for media data by matching them with the surrounding textual description. To boost the performance of text-based research, some machine learning techniques that aim to automatically analyze media entities have been proposed in the multimedia community. The relevance of question answering lies in the downside of search engine, which return a lot of irrelevant document based on some key terms. Community-based question answering service are defined as dedicated platform for user with the desired background to share information and knowledge and to respond to other user questions, resulting in the building of a community where users interactively give rating to questions and answer. But the downside of existing QA forms are now most of the previous system are text based and fail to provide more detailed information with the help the user to understand things completely. This approach automatically determines which type of media information should be added for a textual answer. It then automatically collects data from the web to enrich the answer by processing a large set of question answering pairs and adding them to the pool. Our approach can enable to novel multimedia question answering approach. User can find multimedia answer by matching their question with those in the pool. That means user can search queries from it will send to the server. After the server will checking the query, it will retrieve the answer with multimedia. That means it will retrieve image or video to show the users. Flow user authentication is first flow identification of question type. Second flow stemming is third flow retrieving web information is fourth flow, and finally user generation is the fifth flow. In first flow user authentication nothing but it will register into server. That means user ID and password will provide the server. Then after that registration place is completed, user will enter into the server using ID and password. The server will check ID and password, it will correct, user will allow to the server side. That means user, after allowing user into server, user will give query to know the details of that query. That means server will check, first of all identify the query type. That means it will what type or where type or how type, and after identifying the question type, admin will retrieve the web information. That means it will, first of all, the question type is identified, and then it will find out the stemming step. Stemming is nothing but it will delete the stop words. That means is there are whatever main verse is there, it will be predicted, but stoppers will be all are removed. After that removing the stopwords, it will check the question type and it will retrieve the media information. That means if the question type is how, means it will how to cook the biryani, means it will give video for that question. After that finally it will generate the answer generation. That means it will video or audio or textual images will be given to the user. These are all media information. In our project we have to use the question type. That means question answering is nothing but user can give query to the server. It will retrieve multimedia information. Multimedia information is, if user query is only to show the image, means it will only show image, but it will give also video, means server will give video to the user. After that it will give only text, means it will give only text. These are our process will mainly depends upon stemming process. Let us see the code demo for this project. First of all, you can run the f01.java. home page will be there. You can click home button. Welcome to multimedia question answering session. Click OK. This is login page. First of all, you can register and then login. User registration page will be there. Function. Fill all this text field as click register. It will data is successfully inserted into database. Okay, and cancel, and then you can log in into click login successful. This our project is beyond text QA multimedia answer generation. That means user can give query for server. What kind of animal kangaroo is a user query. You can search the user query. It will give to the server side, administration side. First of all, log in the administration. Login successful. Question. First of all, administration retrieve the user question. User question is successfully received, and also uh, find the what type of question. Question type is what? Okay. Get original content data selected and stopwords removed, because we can search the main words only. So you can clear the stopwords and click next. Click next, and stemming is a process. We can stemming process is done and get answer. Enter get successfully. This is a kangaroo answers. Kangaroo for other users. C user. Click next. It is a web page content. Is in administration give user side. First of all, get answer, and in also in Wikipedia side. So user can clearly know about kangaroo, and finally user see the kangaroo image in web pages. Thank you.